cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor: like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man's gram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so back with another early review. I'm trying to give y'all more content. It's hard for me still to do sneaker videos when I know I'm not really buying sneakers like that. It's so very, very hard. Hey, do I got something right? I thought I had something on my head. Anyway, I need to shave though. I'm looking kind of rough. Y'all gonna have to excuse me. I'm looking really, really rough. But do got an early review for y'all for a sneaker that was very, very popular back in the day. You ever see the thumbnail? You see the title? You know what it is. So we're gonna go. I'm already dressed. I'm about to head on out. Get this early review for y'all. Then I'm gonna come back, give y'all some proper information about it. So stay tuned for that. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, on the back, you see the black KD box, KD letters, initials, excuse me, in the middle in gold right there. Nothing special. They don't really change up these boxes like that. Turns around. Got Nike right there in gold lettering right there. Description reads Nike Zoom KD4, desert orange white, size 9. So this is a personal pair, but I'll tell you right now, spoiler alert, I will not be getting these. I think suggested retail price is like $115, but when I get back to the house, I'll give y'all the real official suggested retail price. Open the box up. Take that out. Set this out real quick right there. And without further ado, we got the KD4 Texas. Boom. Okay, like I said, we got the KD4 Texas. This whole shoe's covering like a oranges brown color. See the signature little adaptive strap that used to be on all the KDs that will adapt the fit right there. So it's supposed to lock your foot in. This was a great basketball shoe back in the day. They've been coming out with they've been retroing a lot of KD4s. The Nurse, the Weathermans, the Aunt Pearls, all the fan favorites from back in the day. This used to be, the KD4 used to be my favorite basketball shoe back in the day. And they were so exclusive to get. Now they're just sitting. Even the Nurse and the Weathermans, two shoes that was like going for thousands of dollars back in the day, they were just sitting for the longest time. But yeah, we got that brownish, orangish color right here. As you can see on the tongue, got that bull horn head. That's the Texas Longhorn logo, because KD did go to Texas for college. Got white on the back with KD lettering right there, initials right there, and the brownish orange Nike swoosh right there. White midsole right there with a little bit brown coming to the back heel tab. I mean, it's a nice shoe. I mean, it's pretty plain. Nothing special about it. Like I said, back in 2006, I want to say 2007. I can't remember the exact time, but like I said, when I get home, I'll give y'all some real information. These was all the rave. Everybody was going crazy for the KDs. Sorry, but I don't know why my camera cut off. Anyway, yeah, like I said, back in the day, these was all the rave. Everybody used to go for them. I'm not gonna get these, not because I don't think it's a good shoe. I think this is a great basketball shoe, but I just really got down to not buying shoes that I'm not gonna wear no time soon. Like I just got a lot of shoes I'm sitting on that don't need to be sit on. So really just want to give y'all this early review for these. Now let's get back to the spot so I can give y'all some proper information about it. So stay tuned for that, and yeah, get back to the spot. Okay, I'm back. Got that early review out the way. Hope y'all enjoyed that. So let me set this up real quick so I don't gotta hold it. Boom. Okay. Got some information for y'all like I always do off of Sneaker Ball Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Ball Detroit. It'll be up right next to me so you can read along with me. Give me 1 second. It's be up in 2, 1. Boom. It should be up right now. All right. So Nike KD4 Texas returns October the 24th. So that is about a week or two, something like that. All right. Durant's Nike KD4 Texas is making his comeback on October 24th, giving a nod to his college team with the popular 2012. What did I say? Did I say 2012? I think I said 2009. I think I said that. Popular 2012 colorway. Enjoy the latest product images below. Okay, let's go to the images below. Let me get this ad out of the way. Original story. Kevin Durant's journey from a college standout to an NBA superstar began in the University of Texas. Though his college career lasted just one season, his impact was unforgettable. To honor his roots, Nike will bring back the beloved Nike KD4 Texas Longhorns in holiday 2025. Originally released in 2012, this KD4 colorway showcases the University of Texas pride. The shoe arrives in rich Longhorn orange paired with a clean white contrast. It features a low-top synthetic leather upper combined with a breathable mesh panels. A defining element of design is the mid-foot strap, what I point out to y'all, offering added lockdown and support. That's exactly what I said. Comfort is also a focus with the full-length zoom cushioning midsole provided responsiveness for both performance and everyday wear. Texas Longhorn logo proudly graced the tongue, while KD's signature logo is placed on the heel. This special release celebrates Durant's unforgettable college run and his connection to the Longhorns community. Fans and sneaker collectors alike can expect the stylish and nostalgia pair to sell quick. It will not. I can tell you right now, it will not. The Nike KD4 Texas will release on October 24th. Excuse me. The sneaker will be available in men's sizing at select Nike basketball retailers and on Nike.com. Retail price is $135. Did I say $115? I can't remember what I said, but $135. Not too bad. So here goes some more images for it. That brownish orange color, like I said, like a burnt orange a little bit. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's it in that. All right, yeah, that's pretty much it. So what y'all think about the Nike KD4 Texas Longhorns? Like I said, back in 2012 when these dropped, this was a popular pair. I think I had this. I can't remember if I had this pair or not myself. I know I did have a lot of KD4. KD4s and Kobe 6s or Kobe 8s. I can't remember which Kobe it was, but whatever Kobe was, the animal pack. Remember the animal pack? We had the shark, the dart frog, and all these other ones. Those Kobe's. I used to go crazy for those, and of course LeBron's too. So that was back when like basketball shoes was at the height of its hype. So do enjoy that. I would not be getting this pair, like I said earlier. Not because it's a bad shoe. I think it's a great shoe, great basketball shoe. But I'm not gonna wear it. I'm older now. My birthday was just 2 weeks ago. I'm closer to 40. My good days of balling are behind me. So I don't need basketball shoes. I'm still hooping in the LeBrons and Paul Georges that I got. I don't even think they make Paul Georges no more. So that's how you can tell I'm still hooping in some old shoes. So y'all hear the noise. That's Chewy just acting crazy on the floor. Look at him. The moment he know I put the camera on him, you want to get calm. But anyway, y'all let me know if this is a shoe if y'all want to cop or drop. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my Sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, me host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, represent Tune's Kicks, and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.